Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing number 288. If we look at this box, we're only missing a 2 and an 8. We've got a 2 here, so 8, 2. For this row, we're only missing a 9. If we look at this column, we're missing 1, 3, and 6. We've got a 1 here and a 6 here, so this is our 3. That 1 makes this our 6, 1. For this column, we're missing a 3 and a 9. I don't see any help. So 3, 9, 3, 9. For this bottom row, we're missing 1, 3, and 9. No help here. 1, 3, 9. We've got a 3 and a 9 here, so this is our 1. For this box now, we're missing 8 and 9. We've got an 8 here, so 9, 8. For this column now, we're missing a 2. For this row, we're missing 2, 5, and 9. We've got a 2 here, so 5, 9. 2 here, so 5, 9, and that means that our 2 has to be here. For this row, we're missing 1. Oh, this 9 makes this our 3, 9. And the 1 and 9 make this our 3. So for this box, then we're only missing a 5. For this box, we're missing 4 and 7. I don't see any help. So 4, 7, 4, 7. For this column, we're missing 2, 3, 6, and 7. We've got 3 and 7 here, so 2, 6. That 3, 7, and 6 here means this is our 2, which makes this our 6. We've got a 7 here, so this is our 3, 7. For this box now, we're missing a 1 and 6. We've got a 1 here, so 6, 1. For this box, we're missing 4, 5, and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 4, 5, 5 here, so 4, 8, and no help here, 4, 5, 8. For this row, we're missing 5 and 9. I don't see any help, so 5, 9, 5, 9. For this row, we're missing 3 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 3, 8. For this column, we're missing 1, 4, 5, and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 1, 4, 5. 1 and 9 here, so 4, 5. 5 and 9 here, so 1, 4. So if we look now, the only place in this column our 9 can be is here, and that makes this our 5. That 5 makes this our 9, 5. For this column now, we're missing 3, 4, and 9. We've got a 3 and 9 here, so this is our 4. 3 there, so 9, 3. That 4 makes this our 5, and the 4 and 5 makes this our 1, 4. For this box now, we're missing 7 and 8. We've got a 7 here, so 8, 7. That 7 makes this our 4, 7. That 4 makes this our 8. For this box now, we're only missing a 1. This 5 and 8 makes this our 4 and 5. And there we have it for today's puzzle. I hope you have an amazing day, and I will see you back here tomorrow with our next puzzle.